What are we doing today?
Burning some marshmallows.
Alright.
With a Zippo and some axe. It's all
You know how hard this is without a cameraman? Here, hold the camera.
Taking some marshmallows. Do good. Oh, come on, you gotta do a longer flame than that. Alright, well, let's try. Hold it. Hold the flame. Hold it.
Burnt!
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it did. That's how you burn some marshmallows. You wanna eat it? Eat the whole thing. Yeah.
Tastes like victory to me.